The power just went out. Outside, the temperature is plummeting faster than anyone expected. You have no generator, no backup heat. This isn't just an inconvenience, it's a survival situation. Extreme cold can lead to hypothermia, a dangerous drop in body temperature, and frostbite, the freezing of skin and tissue. Both can be life-threatening if not addressed immediately. Your first move is to shrink your world. Close the doors to any unused rooms. The smaller the space you need to heat, the better. Use painter's tape or towels to seal the gaps around doors and windows where cold air seeps in. See CEMA.org. Gather everyone in a single, central room, preferably one with south-facing windows to catch any daytime sun. ConsumerReports.org. Your own body heat, when combined, becomes a resource. Don't be afraid to improvise. Build a blanket fort or even set up a tent in the living room. These microenvironments are incredibly effective at trapping body heat.
Dress in multiple, loose-fitting layers, and make sure to cover your head and hands to minimize heat loss. Now, think about your home's veins, the pipes. Frozen pipes can burst, causing catastrophic damage. To prevent this, go to the faucets in your house and let them drip. Just a trickle. This constant movement can stop water from freezing. Also, open the cabinet doors under your sinks to let the warmer air from the room circulate around the plumbing. You might be tempted to find another heat source, but this is where the danger escalates. Never, ever use a gas oven or charcoal grill to heat your home. They release deadly, odorless carbon monoxide gas. If you have a portable generator, it must be operated outdoors, far away from any windows or vents. EPA.gov. The same goes for indoor-safe propane heaters. They require proper ventilation to be used safely. ConsumerReports.org. We can't always rely on the grid. During Winter Storm Uri in Texas, over 80% of the natural gas-powered backup generators failed, leading to prolonged outages. This underscores the need for personal preparedness. A well-stocked emergency kit with blankets, non-perishable food, and water is essential. But survival isn't just about supplies. It's also mental. Prolonged cold and isolation can trigger depression and anxiety. Maintaining a routine and staying in contact with others, even just by phone, is crucial to combat these psychological effects. And that brings us to the most powerful tool you have, your community. Before a storm hits, check on your neighbors, especially the elderly or those with chronic illnesses. Exchange phone numbers. Offer to help them prepare. During the freeze, a simple call or text can be a lifeline. True resilience isn't just weathering the storm alone in your house. It's knowing that the people on your street are looking out for each other, sharing resources and warmth. Because when the power goes out and the cold sets in, the strongest shield we have is each other.